Hi everyone, today I am reviewing the new KFC original recipe boneless chicken breast meal, and it comes with 2 of the chicken breasts, a biscuit, and a side. I had a coupon that was on special for $2.99. It expired today, so I'm going to go ahead and try the chicken and see how it tastes. It basically tastes just like the regular original recipe chicken, just with no bones. So it's pretty good. I'm a big fan of KFC. Yeah, you should go out and try it if you haven't already. Thanks. Comment, rate, subscribe. Bye.